Hello crafters, I am happy to finally share my suitcases for the Stack It collab project. Thank you Brittanee and Tiffany for having this. I thought it was a lot of fun and I apologize for being late, but I finally finished it. So guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on all the videos so that you can win a prize from me for Amazon. Anyway, let me show you my stack boxes. So we did follow along with the tutorial. I will put the link down below. I think her name was Bambi, but I thought it was a lot of fun to create these suitcases and I thought they turned out really pretty. The paper collection that I used was the 12 by 12 collection kit of Rossibel from Prima. And also I used the watch die from KSCraft, and so this is actually a guest design team project for me as well, but that's actually in a separate video. But anyway, so this cute little shaker watch is from KSCraft, and this is actually the smaller one, and I just love how it turned out. And let me show you real quick. Of course, when I need something, it's not in front of me. Ugh. Okay, anyway. I will definitely put all the links down below for this little die right here because I know you're just going to love it. You know, I love the two different sizes, so you can make a large one and a smaller one, and this is the smaller one. And I think it turned out super cute, and I love how it has a little shaker with a little hands. And here are my boxes. So I used these, or actually suitcases. I use these really cute pearls with the little diamonds around here. I also use some tags and stuff from, I don't know if it's from the exact Prima collection, but I used it from one of them. I have some Prima flowers on here, as well as some Wild Orchid Craft flowers from Crafty City. I believe this paper collection was from craftycity.com too. I have some cute little like a little key and like a little heart that I actually got from, I am not even sure what collection it was, but it had like beads and stuff in there, and I thought it turned out really pretty. So anyway, I hope you all love what I made. It was a lot of fun to do, and this is going to be sitting on my desk. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and be sure to check out all the other videos, and I'll have those links down below as well. Thanks, guys. Bye.